Kia ora and welcome to part 13 in the series about ngā momo rerenga kōrero. This video is about rerenga Whakatūpato, cautionary sentences. I'm going to start by looking at the two main components of the cautionary sentence. The first part of the sentence is often a command, and the second part is the cautionary message. The two main kupu in the examples I'm going to show you in this video are kia and kei. In the video about ngā tūhau, where we talked about affirmative instructions, I introduced you to the word kia, and in those types of sentences we used it to either mean let's, as in kia haere tātou, let's go, or the other translation was be, as in kia kaha, be strong. In this video we'll be using kia as a command at the start of our rerenga Whakatūpato to mean be. The next part of our sentence is the cautionary word, the thing we want the person we're speaking to be. Let's start with the obvious one, be careful, and the kupu Māori for careful is tūpato. The next word in the sentence is kei. In this sentence model, the word kei means just in case, or the old-fashioned word for it is lest. I guess it could also be translated to or else, or you're indicating that something might happen. The next word is the action that might happen. Be careful or you might fall over. And the word for fall is hingā. We'll add the word that refers to the person we're talking to, which is, let's go with you. Kia tūpato, kei hingā koe. Be careful or you might fall over. Here's a couple more examples. Kia tere kei tōmuri tāua. Be careful or we might be late. And kia āta kai kei taka tau aihi kirimi. Eat carefully or your ice cream might fall. Here's some more examples for you using different sentence structures. Reremahi āhua and rerehāngū, which we've already covered in playlist number 7. The first one uses a stative sentence, reremahi āhua. Kia tere kei māhui koe I te pahi. Māhui is a tūmahi āhua or stative verb. The literal translation is, be quick in case you are left behind by the bus. In natural English, be quick or you'll miss the bus. The second example uses the rerehāngū with the tūmahi hāngū whakaohotia, awaken. Kia wahangū kei whakaohotia te pēpi e koe. Be quiet or you might wake the baby. So that's all for now about rerenga Whakatūpato. I hope you found something in this video that you can take away and start using straight away. Kia ora koutou.